Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time our question is, why do wars happen? Since from the past 5000 years, for every year somewhere war is going on. In our day-to-day life we are seeing this. It seems that man is born to kill and to be killed. Why it is so? It indicates that inwardly man is leading a primitive life. He is very much primitive. Psychologically, he has not advanced, progressed. Outwardly, we have progressed like anything. We are equipped with much technology, knowledge, information, so many other things. Then, still now we are having poverty also. Why do poverty exist? Poverty and war, they go together. Now, what is the secret of all these things? Man must be aware of the happenings of war and poverty. The reason is that man is not maintaining good relationship with fellow human beings. It is only man who kills his fellow human beings. Let us take the animal kingdom. They don't kill like as man is killing other human beings. Animal kingdom, they don't even have courts or police stations, etc. But man is required to have all these institutions. Why man is in need of so many religions? If truth is one, if God is one, so what is the need of so many religions? Man is organized along so many religions like X, Y, etc. Then the group of people belonging to X and the group of people belonging to Y, they fight together. Man has created so many institutions. One institution is telling how to live life to other institution. Similarly, the other institution is also telling others how to live. Hence, tremendous conflicts are created. It is a fact that man is born to be in conflicts. The past also we talked about peace. Now also we are talking about peace. During the time of Buddha, we talked about peace. Now also many countries are talking about peace. But we are not having peace. The reason is man has not progressed inwardly. Inward awareness is missing. Man is totally unconscious. He is not concerned with his fellow human beings. Wars happen because of unawareness about his spiritual being. If peace is not there, then human beings are not in a position to see the enrichment of life. They certainly miss the depth of life. To find out the depth of life, peace is needed. If peace is not there, life has no significance at all. We want to progress spiritually. To be aware of spiritually, we have to consider all the human beings as equal. All the human beings are designed in the same way. All human minds are same. Their aspirations are also same. Then why to fight? because of unawareness about life, we are fighting each other. Fighting is spiritual darkness. For that, the spiritual wisdom is to be spread to each and everybody. Since we are having good communication nowadays, it is very easy. All the countries are crying for peace, but the countries are not in a position to make peace with others. Why it is so? Each and every individual human being must be peaceful. In his daily life, peace must be there. If man lives for more and more, certainly peace will be disturbed. There will be no peace at all. So first of all, man must keep his relationships normal. The relationships are very much important. If the relationships go astray, certainly it will lead to wars. If man thinks he can be aware spiritually, he can feel the immensity of life. Life is the greatest opportunity which we have got from the existence. It is freely given. So one must understand the importance of life. Then only we will be able to avoid wars on the earth. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another aspect of life.